So let's say that your business makes $1,000 a day and you're spending 3 hours on the printers themselves. So you're essentially you're thinking, well, $300 an hour or less the cost of fulfillment, that's pretty good. But with automation, you could be spending half an hour. So now you could be making $2,000 an hour, because that's really what it comes out to. And you're not spending any time at the printers. But that is one of the things that a lot of folks who like the equipment and the printing and stuff don't think about. Intuitively, I'm talking about.